I like using this because the things I build is already have rust on them, so I coat it to keep the rust from coming back and keeping the patina of the look of the metal that's already on there. And if you look here, you can see what I'm talking about. Look how it brings out the color, and then it protects it from the weather, because the pieces I build all go out in the weather, so it works out good. But you just put a little on and then take a brush and just brush it on, and it protects it. It's better than some of the other products I've used. This lasts. It'll stay on the surface. I guess it'll stay on the surface forever. I've coated different things like the totem pole because it doesn't wear off, or it doesn't fade off or burn off with the sun. It stays on there, and it protects whatever you're putting it on for the looks, or just to protect the object. On mine, I do it for both, to protect it, but I also do it for the looks because I like the looks, how it brings out the color and everything on there. And it doesn't take a lot. You can put a little on the brush and you can cover just about anything you want to cover because it goes so far on everything. But look at the difference doing the horn than before I did it. It just brings everything out. And all I've got on here is what I've had on the brush doing the whole thing.